the whole sitting MP the krom hwe school dan ewo no the whole sitting MP Prestea Huni constituency Honorable Robert Wisdom Kujo what's now a kunyem for 8 years 2020 Prestea Huni yeto aba ediyu 2024 yasanto aba ediyu 2020 ne enim say enye o party ena na ewo aben mu anase enye o party ena na ewo parliament 8 months Honorable Robert Wisdom Kujo ukromu kwan ena da won ukromu school ewo no information na menye free abosu inso ayemeche say yane keke kuraje community no magu na ewo mu no makobo yane e de ma school fu a omoko school ewo abosu inso ayemu in this 21st century yeda so bo amuna e de man student Honorable Robert Wisdom Kujo MC ni DC is amo sa assemblyman amo iti eden e na moye e de abo school hwe school la esiwa enkwala eko school mu etoda na wo kasa NCB obi ama iska na ose yembe kasa odabi right now no Ghanaians ye pe impuntu ewo each constituency yeto abama mo ayese mo mbabo adwuma emfama constituency no ukromu aboso insayim school ewo hwe school dan na chi toilet enkebani say MC and I say DC MP our constituency one what betumi ayi botom sika ukopiem ewo aboso insayima eyetima mufu and I say youth na ewo ho no na ekobo amuna no mu atu toilet e dia ma school fu a mo aboso insayim the whole sitting MP ukrum enti se we obi ba ekotena so na sanyame am pem free na so otuma yesi hwan na ye etoda moma yenu ye ho tese ne ayeto aban edemam network yesi wa ukrum Honorable Robert Wisdom Kujo wa ukrum network kura solar system sa network na yesu sa solar ni bi yesi enyema e wo so nyina ye week eto aban ma no unsi kromu wo enyeme na meka wa ukromufo na omo ama information wa ukromufo e na omo push this information say omo kwan enye network ensu to even because of say kwan nye nti so binyem kura na say nyame ampa afia omo amfa na nduru aboso ntema na nipa na ato na nanom e wonse edo ubedi MC osan bedi DC according to background checks they see DC you say MC in udi for 8 years Emma 2012 Prestea Huni omoto aba edema say di owanim na for omoko parliament na nkempuntunjuma embra obi o abedi MC wasan bedi DC wasan be member of parliament ya to abama 2012 no ye share impuntu obi amba Emma omusiw Emma Honorable Barbara TJC ebe MP for 2016 2020 oba pa osan ba bi Emma Prestea Huni esan to abama Emma oko parliament yeti asese na enye wo party na na ewa ban mu 2024 osan ba biem one Honorable Barbara TJC ebai Emma Ghana Prestea Huni yesan eto aba edema enti eden pa na Prestea Huni Honorable Wisdom Kujo ye dia ye wa ye kwan ne ye nyema enyenya ontumi enhwe emfama ye wabedi MC wabedi DC wasan be member of parliament still a Prestea Huni omu rose noni omu network ikodim bu network cry eniso proko pimo Prestea Bogosu road ebe since a uba abem untumi ye bibia de bia mo ba na mo betwa kwan eniso na mo agyawo enti e kwan da ben pan na mo be ye kwan no e de abo Prestea Huni ene wo kurom abosu nso ayi yesi school dan ne toilet ya ne kura no ebi no network tip compound which is one which I ubia na nko wabedi DC wabedi MC wasambe member of parliament waba 3 consecutive times ya ne keke kura school nkwala ebe kone na age timamufo mo aboso insoayemu no makutu amuna no mo de aye e de ama students no school dan a esi wo kura no because of say enye some of the teachers ne bakura no moko no kura Ghana yempe kanti we are make obi beka say no be to our kana it's not about so be to but sometimes no we need to be real to ourselves your leaders need be ya there tia some of the constituencies and say e kurasi be e baby we need to come out and talk about it because yane wa ukuro kura anya me na meka ukuro mufo na mo ma me saa information we say yane kura toilet facility no timamufo mo no mo akutu amna na ye de ama nkwala eko school wo no abosun so ayem yesi ekwan kura da wo kura anye papa se obi yare na senyame am fa free a yembedru yemfa ne ndru abosu kuro mo na jese wo because of say school dan enye papa ntino some of enkofo ni nyina eyi omumba edi afi odi omako school abosu because omuhu like me word am use we dem man moti kromo MC DC assemblyman fogu no enti aburo na mo pese mo de bo Prestea Huni Valley na asese enuko Prestea ne even Prestea kwan o ada for almost
ebusuya Prestea Huni Valley enti mo MP no moto abama no de because after watching this video I share here no I'm surprised said this man is still a member of parliament and you guys still continue voting for him. Like, you don't have any options? Don't you guys have options? This is just mind blowing. Like, bro, make it make sense. Make it make sense. What the fuck? And you keep on voting for this guy. Why Modrobi Anna? I just want to understand, because it doesn't make any sense to me, honestly speaking. I'm trying to find out, Ebia, he's doing some things in their constituency that we have no idea about. But so far as I'm concerned, and so far as the information I have is concerned, the MP is not doing anything in the constituency. And the sad part is, say, you guys have been voting for this man for the past 8 years. Muni toilets students muni toilet amo bedding omeja omo nan mo kwan ye insuo so abasa se man you team no so then pa na mo Prestea Huni Valley and Robert MP is this how you treat your people? And you guys keep on voting for him. And you see one thing they say, these people will leave their constituencies and attack people from the other parts of the country. One piece, no. They will leave these people low. And I swear to God, 2028, MP Sambelu so almost sit now. And so when and so catch it. Because if you look at all these people now more parliament, Ghana is sick. I'm telling you. Ghana is sick. And I'm just asking myself, say, are they that you keep on voting for these guys? Is it that you don't have options? And then the other candidate, party needing the ban. Mumpe. Because ebusuya, this thing is something that bianga no menti ase. Honestly, menti ase. I'm telling you, menti ase. How you guys keep on voting for the same person? My vote man still no constituency no. Won't even develop no. You keep on voting for that same person. How? That's Ghana for you, right? That's Ghana for you. And you still have people who will go out and support and vote for him in the next elections. They will go out with full vim and go and support this same person. No, they will go. That's the sad part. They will have the guts to go and still vote for this guy. Because you know what? It's their political party. And that's the sad part. But it seems like Ghanaians are beginning to rise up, kakra.